Welcome back to the High Five. We hope you enjoyed your time off. Start the new year on a positive note. How often do you recognize students in your class? Second semester is an excellent time to increase the use of narrate the positive. This is part of the Teach Like a Champion technique, positive framing. Teachers simply combine a student's name with explicitly identifying the correct behavior or action. For additional information, reference Technique 58, Positive Framing, on page 426 of your Teach Like a Champion 2.0 book. You may also use the link in the Google Classroom announcement for more information. Are you a follower? Use social media to be a follower. Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram can be used to gain creative teaching ideas. We will link Ken Bearden's Instagram account and Dwayne Reed's Twitter handle in the Google Classroom announcement. Don't forget to follow the Hive at thehive_Vegas while you're at it. Do your students set goals? 2019 is a great time to introduce or ramp up goal setting with your students. Introduce SMART goals to your students to enhance their self-reflection skills. Don't forget to use the link in the Google Classroom announcement for more information. We have several Hive events coming up in January. Teach Like a Champion workshops take place all month all across the valley. On January 17th, we will host a community meetup at the Mom Museum. Our last education speaker event for the school year will take place on January 26th at Sunset Station in the Madrid Room. You won't want to miss William Martinez. Events open on Pathlore 30 days prior to the event. Lastly, we always want to leave you with a laugh. Does your New Year's resolution look something like this? Thanks for joining us for this edition of the